Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. If you have a slow draining tub or shower, uh, you probably have people that have like longer hair in your house, or even over time, just like normal hair just gets clogged in with soap and gets all clogged in there. And you need one of these Zip It snakes. This is a older version. They have updated ones. I've had this for a while and absolutely love this thing. So what you're doing is you just basically put it down through your drain, and I kind of like twist it a little bit because that will help hook the hair really well. And then you are just pulling up on it, and you can see all that messy, disgusting hair that gets stuck in there. You might want to use gloves while you're doing this, but so I go down each side and basically just give it a quick couple twists, and then you just pull it up, and it's usually, oh my goodness, look how much buildup you get. I mean, holy cow. All right. My wife would be mortified if she was here watching this, but anyway, I mean, it's hair. It happens. So you just pull down each side, and then when you're done cleaning, you can push it down a lot further, and then we'll get down into your drain. Like I said, give it a couple twists, and then pull up on it, and you get like that last bit of hair out. And then that goes right in the garbage, but I'll show you how well it works. Now the water runs straight down, and we got a nice clean drain. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and yeah, definitely get one of these Zip Its. Absolutely awesome. Be safe out there.